This creamy tomato pasta is so quick and easy to make. Let's show you how we do it. To start off with, we're going to boil our pasta. So we're going to add our pasta to salted boiling water. You're going to cook it for a few minutes less than the packet instructions because it's going to cook later in the sauce. We cooked ours for about 8 minutes. Whilst your pasta is boiling, we're going to get started on the sauce. So in a large pan, add a bit of olive oil, and once that's hot, add 2 chopped green chilies. To this, we're going to add 1 large pepper and leave that to saute for a few minutes. In this pasta sauce, we're not going to use any tinned tomatoes. We're going to swap out the tinned tomatoes for cherry tomatoes. So you want good quality cherry tomatoes, and we've got about 400 grams which we've chopped in half. We're now going to season with a bit of salt and pepper and then give that all a really good mix. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix that in really well and then cover the pan and leave to cook for about 15 minutes. This will allow the flavours to infuse and those tomatoes will start to break down. Don't forget about your pasta at this point because it would have boiled by now, and you want to take it out and keep some of that pasta water on the side. When you take the lid off the tomatoes, they'll be nice and soft now, so you want to just give it a good mix before adding our secret ingredient, the cream cheese. This helps to get a perfectly creamy pasta. You're then going to add a bit of your pasta water and give it all a really good mix. If you need to, you can add some more pasta water to adjust the consistency. So start with half a mug and then you can add some more if you need to. Once the cream cheese and the pasta water is nicely incorporated into the sauce, you're going to have a nice creamy sauce. We're going to add a bit more flavour to our sauce by adding some chili flakes and some basil. Again, mix that all in really well and then cover and leave to simmer for about 5 minutes to allow those flavours to develop. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy weeknight meals. Once those flavours are developed, it's time to add your pasta. So add your cooked pasta to the pan and give it all a really good mix to make sure that sauce is evenly distributed. This creamy tomato pasta is a guaranteed crowd pleaser.